Hey everyone, let's start with the hard truth. Getting rejected by the US Food and Drug Administration, FDA, is more common than you think. And the worst part? It costs you time, it costs you money, it delays your market entry. Now, if your submission was rejected or you're planning to apply, this video is going to save you a lot of trouble. Because today, we're not just talking theory, we're breaking down real reasons why devices get rejected, with practical examples and how to avoid them. We'll cover step-by-step FDA process, timelines, cost breakdown, very important, documents required, common mistakes with real examples, and how to fix them. Let's get into it. Part 1. FDA process, step-by-step. Let's quickly understand the full process because rejection can happen at any stage. Step 1. Device classification. Class 1, Class 2, Class 3. This determines your pathway. 510K, De Novo PMA. Step 2. Regulatory strategy. This is where many companies go wrong. You must decide predicate device for 510K, clinical requirements, testing requirements. Step 3. QMS implementation. Quality System Regulation, QSR, design controls, risk management. Step 4. Testing and validation. Biocompatibility, electrical safety, software validation. Step 5. Prepare submission. Technical file, clinical data, labeling. Step 6. Submit to FDA. Pay fees, upload documents. Step 7. FDA review. Acceptance review, substantive review, additional information, AI request. Step 8. Decision clearance/approval, rejection/refuse to accept, RTA. Part 2. Timeline. Let's talk realistic timelines. FDA timeline 510K to 3 to 6 months, De Novo to 6 to 12 months, PMA to 1 to 3 years. But here's the reality. If rejected, to add 3 to 12 months more. Multiple queries to delays increase. Key insight. A weak submission equals longer timeline. Part 3. Cost breakdown, very important section. Let's talk money. FDA fees, approx. 510K, approximately $20,000 plus De Novo. Approximately $100,000 plus PMA, approximately $400,000 plus. Additional costs, testing, $10,000 to $500,000 plus. Clinical trials, $50,000 to $1 million plus. Consulting, $5,000 to $50,000. Total cost typically $50,000 to $1 million plus. Now imagine, rejection, you repeat part of this cost. Part 4. Documents required. Here's your checklist. 510K, submission file. Predicate comparison, risk analysis, clinical evidence, test reports, labeling, software validation, if applicable. Missing or weak documents equals rejection risk. Part 5. Why devices get rejected, core section. This is the most important part. Let's break down the real reasons with examples. Mistake 1. Wrong regulatory pathway. Example, company submits 510K, but device has no valid predicate. Result, rejection. Mistake 2. Weak predicate comparison. FDA expects same intended use, similar technology. Example, different mechanism leads to rejected. Mistake 3. Poor clinical evidence. Example, insufficient data for safety claims. Result, additional information request leads to delay or rejection. Mistake 4. Incomplete testing. Example, missing biocompatibility test. Result, RTA, refuse to accept. Mistake 5. Software documentation issues common in SAMD devices. Example, no cybersecurity documentation. Result, rejection. Mistake 6. Labeling errors. Example, claims not supported by data. Result, FDA flags leads to rejection. Mistake 7. Poor risk management. Example, incomplete risk analysis file. Result, compliance failure. Mistake 8. Weak QMS. FDA may inspect. Example, design control gaps. Result, rejection or warning letter. Mistake 9. Ignoring FDA guidance. Each device type has specific guidance. Example, company ignores it leads to submission mismatch. Mistake 10. Poor submission structure. Disorganized files. Result, reviewer confusion, delays, rejection risk.
Part 6. How to avoid rejection. Let's fix this. Best practices. Choose correct pathway. Strong predicate strategy. Complete testing. Solid clinical evidence. Proper documentation. Early regulatory planning. Think of it this way. FDA approval is not paperwork. It's a strategy. If you're planning to submit to FDA, don't risk rejection because it delays your launch, it increases cost, it impacts your business. How OMC Medical can help? FDA Regulatory Strategy 510K, De Novo, PMA support, technical documentation, gap analysis, end-to-end submission. Whether you're starting fresh or fixing a rejected submission, talk to OMC Medical experts today. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand why devices get rejected by FDA, follow OMC Medical for more regulatory insights, and we'll see you in the next video.